how to delete a comment on Facebook post. So if you want to remove all of your Facebook posts, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to go with settings. But before that, let me just go and add some comment right here. Once done, now you will find the post. If you find the post on your home screen, then you can just simply go with your post where you commented, tap on the comments, and you will find your comment. And if you found your comment, you need to tap and hold on to it and just simply go with delete and tap on delete, and the comment will be deleted. Or you can just simply go back and then go with your bottom, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and from here you need to go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of activity log. Tap on it and then you will find your comment history. Go with your Facebook activity. From here you need to go with comments and reactions. Go with manage comments and reactions or tap on comment section. And here you will have all of the comments. You can just simply go and select the comment that you would like to delete, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.